Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy if you don't know me, and today I did a little lady Jack Skellington look. I think she's quite pretty. There is going to be a part 2 of this video, so make sure you watch out for that. It's gonna be cute, hopefully. If you'd like to see how I did this cutesy Jack Skellington look, then keep watching. My least favorite thing about doing Halloween looks is covering my brows. We're gonna try again with an Elmer's glue stick. I got the purple kind. Usually I can't find the purple kind, so let's hope that this is better. I have watched a million tutorials on doing this and I just can't get it right. I know that you really have to coat all the hairs, front and back. Oh, I like that the purple, you can really see where you've put it. And then comb it through. And push it down. Maybe this will be the one. Maybe this will be the time that I do it good. If I wasn't scared of my eyebrows not coming back, I would definitely just shave them off for the month of October. My face is all red and blotchy. I'm not sure what's been going on lately. I haven't changed any products in my skincare routine, but as soon as literally anything, moisturizer, anything touches my face, it goes hot, burning red, and I don't know why. So we're just gonna ignore that. In the eyebrow covering tutorials that I've watched, they say that sometimes it takes like 8 layers of glue to get them covered. So I'm gonna do a few now that this is dry. I don't think I've ever done that many layers, so maybe that's my issue. So I'm just going over it again, and then letting this layer dry, and again. Looking good, looking good. I know that I could speed up this process with a blow dryer, but that means I'd have to go get my blow dryer and an extension cord, and I'm not gonna. It still looks a little purple, but it feels dry, and I'm impatient. I'm going in again. This eyebrow is definitely thicker because I always have a harder time getting this eyebrow smooth. Also a couple hairs that have been growing in there that are like little wires. I have a sneaking suspicion that all of my eyebrows are eventually going to be that way. The more layers I do, the less the purple seems to fade away. These are definitely dry. They're just staying purple. I think this is gonna be the last one I do. And then I'm gonna go in with powder, and the powder will make it really easy to see any ridges. And then I can go in again if I need to. From what I can see, it looks like it's gonna be not that bad, but definitely not perfect. Kudos to drag queens who have to do this often and do it so well. It's not easy. Now that the glue is dry-ish, I'm gonna go in with my Rcma No Color Powder, and I'm gonna press it on top, kind of rolling it upwards to smoosh my brows. They're pretty flat. This one, not so much. I need to watch more videos and practice more. I will get it. I will master the brow cover someday, maybe next Halloween. Now I'm gonna go into my dermaflage behind the scenes concealer. Getting into all the little crevices. I should use this green all over my red face. Technically, the opposite of purple is yellow, but the yellow in this concealer palette is really dark. Green should do the trick. I look so good. Go in and set that with powder. And the look is complete. This is the scariest makeup look I've ever done. Now I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop concealer in Fair 02. This isn't the white. This is like one step from the white. I'm gonna cover my whole face with it so we're really, really pale. Just starting with my eye area. So we can get a couple layers over these brows. It's like a little masquerade mask. And then blending this all out with the sponge. Going in with another layer of the concealer over the brow. I wish I had a more full coverage concealer in a really light shade, but I just have to work with what I've got. I'm going in now and doing the bottom half of my face and my neck. Now I'm gonna go in and set all of this scariness with the Rcma No Color Powder again. Now I'm gonna move on to our super dark glam smoky eye. Just going in with any black eyeshadow I'm gonna go in and map out a smoky eye that kind of resembles the shape of his eyes. And carefully dusting away any fallout before it makes a mess. I'm gonna bring this across onto the lid, but without picking up any products. I don't want it to be really dark black. I do want this outer part here to be really dark black. Just packing it on. Now I'm gonna go in and smoke out the lower lash line with black, keeping that really round shape. We're looking like Uncle Fester, but it'll come together, I promise. It's just one of those looks where it's really ugly and then it'll be not ugly. Look how different my eyes look. It's so creepy. I want the eye look to be kind of an in-between between being like a skeleton look when I close my eyes and then being a beauty look when they're open. I'm gonna go into the Lunatick Labs Cosmetics palette and I'm just gonna go around this to give it a little bit of a blended look. Still keeping the shape really sharp and round. Now I'm going to go in with my Model's Own glitter setting gel and the mismack glitter in diamonds. I'm going to tap the glitter gel all over the center and then press the glitter on top. Also going to put some of that glitter glue on the bottom and then again press the glitter on top. Into this palette again, I'm going to contour using the gray shade. I'm going to contour the hollow of my cheek all the way down to my mouth. I'm also going to contour my jawline and pretty much just contour as I normally would. A little bit more dramatic. I'm not going to worry about my forehead because I am going to be wearing a wig with bangs. Now I'm going to go in and contour my nose right from the eye look. I'm going to go in with a black liquid liner. This is the Super Sketchy liner from NYX. And starting from my nostril up into a skeleton nose hole. We're looking pretty scary. I'm also going to use this liner to line my eyes. I'm adding little wings because it's just the kind of person I am. For the lips, I'm first going to put on a black lipstick. This is Uninvited by Fenty Beauty. And then with an angled brush and black eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in and draw these little lines. Looks like I smoked too much. And then I'm going to take this way over here from the corner of my mouth and carry on with these little lines. And then the lines on the bottom. I'm gonna shade a little bit around my nose holes, just around the edges. And then with the liquid liner, I'm just gonna darken these lines a little bit. Now I'm going to put on some giant lashes. These are Plush from Sugarpill. While I'm waiting for the glue to get tacky, I'm going to add some highlight. I'm going to use Luna from the Anastasia Aurora palette. A little bit on the inner corner. And now we can stick on our big lash. Now I'm going to put some black liner in my waterline. This is Black Market from Urban Decay. And then I'm going to use my NYX Worth the Hype mascara to cover my super blonde natural lashes. And put mascara on the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to put on my little outfit and come back and see if we need any touch-ups. I feel pretty, but like really I do. This is a ribbon from a package. The outfit I'm wearing is from Dolls Kill. If you want to see the full look, I'm hoping to get some cute pictures with my daughter, so check out my Instagram. The wig is from Annabelle's Wigs. Everything will be directly linked below in the description box so you can find it. What should we name her? I was thinking Jackie, but that seems too easy. Thank you guys for watching my take on a Lady Jack Skellington. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.